Hey, this is Steve at the All Wheels Down channel once again, and I haven't posted for a while. I've been busy. I found this fantastic deal on Facebook Marketplace. I had to drive quite a distance to get these speakers, and it was sort of a spur of the moment thing, and as you can see by this Facebook listing, it was a deal too good to pass up. And so I ran up there, and the guy was true to his word. And even though he had gotten offers for more money in the interim time between me telling him I was coming for them and me getting there, he was true to his word and stuck with our deal. These speakers are from the Klipsch Heritage line. These are the Forte IIs. And I believe they were made between 1989 and 96 or 98, something like that. So they've got some years on them. But let me tell you, they sound pretty good. And we'll have a little sound sample before the end of this video, so stay tuned. Of course, things get a little nicked up after 30 years of use, so a little coloring on the corners and edges, and it turned out pretty nice. And as I said, I got one heck of a deal on these. Let me ask a question to the viewers here. If you have these speakers, do you use them with the grills on or off? They kind of look good either way. And for those of you who've had these speakers, you know those grills can be really hard to get off because of the magnets they use to hold them on. I use one of these little pry tools. You kind of stick it in and turn it, and you can really get it loose without messing up the cabinets around. That's what that is, probably from Harbor Freight. As you can see, these are in pretty good shape, and now I'm going to do a little bit of a sound sample. Of course, I'm just using my iPhone and no fancy setup to record. And here are the other two. I haven't had a chance to clean them up yet. The passive subwoofer on the back of this one has seen better days. And I have a reconing kit coming from Simply Speakers. They make one for this. It doesn't look like too big a job, and it'll be as good as new then. So I may make a video about doing the reconing, and when I get the new badges for them, I might show them again. At some point in time, one pair of these might be up for sale on the Facebook Marketplace. Hey, thanks for checking out my latest video here on the All Wheels Down channel. I still have the original speakers that I got from Crutchfield. Those were the KLH Model 3s. I still have those, but I'm probably going to be passing them along on Facebook Marketplace. And though the KLH Model 3s have a fantastic sound, and they really do have a good punchy bass, you just can't beat the sound of these big box speakers from the Klipsch Heritage line, the Forte IIs. Hey, if you've ever found a good deal like this on Facebook Marketplace, tell us about it down in the comments. It's always great when somebody does get a deal, and you know, this is the first time I was ever able to get a deal like this. I'm always the last one there. Hey, thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep all wheels down.